What's the meaning of cubbyhole? Cubbyhole. Cubbyhole.
Cubbyhole. Cubbyhole. A cubbyhole refers to a small, enclosed space that is typically used for storage or organization purposes. It can also refer to a compartment or niche in a larger piece of furniture, such as a desk or shelving unit. The term is often used to describe a cramped or confined area, and can be associated with feelings of claustrophobia or limitation. Cubbyholes are commonly found in classrooms, offices, and other settings where individuals need to keep their belongings neat and organized within a limited amount of space.